To find a professional moving company for a long-distance move, you need to do detailed research. Vanlines Move can help you find verified and licensed movers with the following tips. Number 1. Research multiple moving companies. Try to learn everything about the moving company, like their work experience, customer reviews, licensing, and more. Number 2. Moving services. List out the services you need for your move, like packing, unpacking, loading, unloading, and transportation. Search for a mover offering all the required services. Number 3. Create inventory. Create a list of items you want to take to your new house and share it with the moving company. This will help in getting an accurate moving quote. Number 4. Check online testimonials. Reviews and feedback from previous customers plays a very important role in determining the efficiency of a moving company. Number 5. License status. For a nationwide move, a mover must be licensed. The company should obtain U.S. DOT number by registering with the U.S. Department of Transportation, DOT. The next is FMCSA registration, and drivers must have a commercial driver's license, CDL. Number 6. Request moving quotes. Ask for a detailed moving quote from the moving company as per your moving requirement. The cost of a move can be high with movers, but it is inclusive of multiple costs. Number 7. Taxes and fees. While preparing a moving quote, most companies forgot to add the cost of the move. So, be prepared for additional costs like local taxes. Number 8. Moving insurance. Ask your mover if they are providing moving insurance for protecting the belongings. If you are not okay with their compensation, then you can buy moving insurance separately. You get all the details about the moving companies you select. Choose the best one in your area and schedule your move. With Vanlines Move, finding the best professional mover in your area is a task of few seconds. Invest a few seconds at vanlinesmove.com or call 833-706-1800 for a quick moving quote.